Hello, I'm Catherine Mason and I'm the Director of Cambridge Law Studio, and I was also one of the founders of the TOLS exams, which means Test of Legal English Skills. Welcome to our quick legal vocabulary class. To adjourn. To adjourn means to stop something, like a trial or a company meeting, with the intention of starting it again at a later date. For example, the judge announced the court would adjourn for today and meet again tomorrow at 10 a.m. The word adjourn is used in formal situations when it's necessary to stop a trial or a meeting for a period of time. When something is adjourned, it is different from a short break, such as a break for lunch. Adjourn means that a formal session has ended. For example, the chairperson adjourned the company AGM at very short notice. The company AGM will stop for lunch each day at 1 p.m. So a little bit of vocabulary there. Company AGM. AGM stands for Annual General Meeting, and according to British law, a limited company, either private or public, must hold an AGM every year. It's where the shareholders get to speak to the directors and make decisions. Now, you can see from that first sentence, the chairperson adjourned the company AGM at very short notice. That means adjourned it without much warning. Short notice means not much preparation time, not much warning. So you can see a trial or a company meeting can be adjourned even before it begins. Here are two example sentences. When I arrived at the court, my lawyer told me our case had been adjourned for 2 weeks. As two of the directors were delayed, the chairperson moved to adjourn the meeting until next Thursday at 10 a.m. So again, a little bit of vocabulary. The first sentence, I don't know what happens in your country when you go to court, but this happens quite often in England. You arrive at court with your lawyer to have your case heard by a judge, and only when you arrive, you're told, sorry, we're busy today, your case has been adjourned. I hope that doesn't happen in your country, but it probably does. In the second sentence, two of the directors are delayed, and it's important that they are at the meeting. So the chairperson moved to adjourn the meeting. Now, why that word moved? Well, a suggestion or a proposal at a company meeting is called a motion. You don't say suggestion, you say motion, because lawyers like to make English difficult. So to move to adjourn the meeting is to propose adjourning the meeting or suggesting, and then people will say yes or no, but that's why we've used that word moved in that sense. The noun which lawyers use is adjournment. So the verb you have there, to adjourn, and the noun is an adjournment. For example, the barrister asked the court for an adjournment until the next day as the witness was feeling very ill. Congratulations! You can now use the word adjourn like a legal professional. To practice this word for free, you can download a free PDF of part of our A to Z of Business Law book. The link is in the description below. See you next time. Bye bye.